Before you even think about buying Motive, there are a few key things you absolutely need to know. If you're considering it, you'll want to stick around because I'm about to dive deep into what sets Motive apart and why it might just be the software that takes your business to the next level if it's the right fit for you. First up, the ease of use. Motive's user interface is incredibly intuitive, making it simple for anyone to get started. It's designed for both beginners and those with more advanced needs, which is one of the reasons why it's becoming a go-to for many digital marketers. Unlike other project management tools that can overwhelm you with complex setups and too many features you don't need, Motive cuts through all that clutter. You can get up and running within minutes, which is perfect if you need to jump in and get things done fast. Next thing you should know, the integrations. If you're running an online business, you need tools that work seamlessly with the other software you're already using. Motive does a fantastic job here. It integrates with a wide range of tools. Think CRM platforms, email marketing systems, and analytics software. This makes it easier to centralize your operations and save time compared to competitors like Monday.com or Asana, which often require extra work to sync with your existing tools. Motive's out-of-the-box integrations give you a real edge, especially if you're already juggling multiple platforms. The third thing you need to consider is customization. This software is designed to be flexible. Whether you're running a marketing team, a project management unit, or a creative agency, Motive adapts to your needs. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Competitors, like ClickUp, offer customization too, but Motive really nails the balance of flexibility with simplicity. You get a tailored experience without needing to dive deep into complex settings and configurations. Moving on to the next point, collaboration. Motive has a strong focus on team collaboration, and this is one of its most impressive features. It allows real-time updates, file sharing, task assignments, and team communication all in one platform. This is essential if you're working with a remote team or managing multiple projects. It's something that stands out in comparison to some other tools, which might offer collaboration but require you to jump between different tabs and systems to get everything done. The fifth thing to know about Motive is its analytics and reporting capabilities. If you're running a business, tracking progress and understanding data is crucial for decision making. Motive provides in-depth insights with detailed reports, so you're not left guessing how your projects are performing. Unlike some of its competitors, which might offer basic reporting features, Motive gives you more granular data, helping you track KPIs and better allocate resources. Now, the sixth thing you should know, pricing. Many project management tools like Trello or Rike can get pretty expensive, especially when you scale up, but Motive offers a pricing structure that feels more approachable, especially when you compare it to others in the space. You're getting a lot of the features you need without feeling like you're overspending. Plus, they offer a completely free trial, so you can try before you buy. If you're just getting started and don't want to break the bank, this is a huge advantage. Finally, the customer support. This can make or break a software decision. Motive's support team is known for being responsive and helpful. They provide quick turnaround times and offer a range of support options, including chat, email, and video tutorials. If you've ever had to wait days for a response from customer support, you'll appreciate how fast and efficient Motive's team is. This beats many competitors who often fall short in this area. If you're still unsure, here's something you should know. You can try Motive completely free from the first link below. That's right, you can test drive all of its features, see if it fits your business, and decide if it's the right software for you. If you want to experience the full power of Motive and get some exclusive benefits, click that first link in the description to get the best free trial available. So, if you're looking for a project management tool that's easy to use, integrates seamlessly with your existing tools, and doesn't break the bank, Motive might just be the software you need. Don't forget to click the link below for your free trial and check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching.